With an estimated 7.8 million species of animals on the planet, the animal kingdom is an undeniably diverse place. But while the breadth of earthly biodiversity may be well known, the incredible things our animal counterparts can do are often hidden to humans. From furry creatures you never realized kissed, to those who enjoy getting tipsy. These amazing animal facts are sure to wow even the biggest animal lovers out there. In this video we're going to talk about 18 awesome facts about animals. But first, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe with the bell on for more amazing videos. Number 18. Reindeers' eyes turn blue in the winter. Reindeers have beautiful baby blues but only in the winter. According to the Biotechnology and Biological Sciences Research Council, the eyes of Arctic reindeer change color through the seasons from gold to blue, adapting to extreme changes of light levels in their environment. The change in color impacts how light is reflected through the animal's retina and improves their vision. Number 17. Parrots will selflessly help each other out. Parrots may be associated with pirates, but it turns out African gray parrots are nothing like the infamously greedy, treasure-seeking criminals. Instead, researchers have discovered that the colorful birds will voluntarily help each other obtain food rewards and perform selfless acts, according to a 2020 study published in Current Biology. Study co-author August von Baer noted, African gray parrots were intrinsically motivated to help others, even if the other individual was not their friend, so they behaved very prosocially. Number 16. Cows have best friends. Cows have stronger social ties than you might think. One 2013 study conducted by researchers at the University of Northampton found that when cows were separated from their BFFs, their heart rates increased as a sign of stress. Number 15. Koalas sleep up to 22 hours a day. If you thought your cat was sleepy, just wait until you hear about koalas. According to the Australian Koala Foundation, these cuties sleep between 18 and 22 hours a day. The koalas' diets require a lot of energy to digest, which is why they've got to nap so much. Number 14. A grizzly bear's bite is strong enough to crush a bowling ball. Those who find themselves in the presence of a grizzly bear will surely want to stay out of reach of this animal's super sharp claws. But they'll certainly also want to keep out of the grizzly's mouth, because these creatures have a bite force of over 8 million pascals, according to National Geographic. That means grizzly bears can literally crush a bowling ball between their jaws. Number 13. Wild chimps like to drink. Humans aren't the only animals who enjoy a drink or two. A 2015 study published in the journal Royal Society Open Science reveals that chimpanzees in Guinea had a fondness for imbibing fermented palm sap and getting tipsy in the process. Number 12. Frogs can freeze without dying. Why tolerate the cold when you could just freeze yourself solid? According to Kenneth Story, a professor at Carleton University in Ottawa, frogs undergo repeated freeze-thaw cycles. A story told on National Geographic was, "We have false springs here all the time where it gets really warm and all the snow melts, and then suddenly, the wind comes from the north and it's back down to -10, -15 Celsius, and they're fine." Number 11. Female lions do 90% of the hunting. While male lions attract their fair share of attention thanks to their impressive manes, it's the female lions who do the bulk of the work when it comes to feeding their families. According to CBS News, lionesses, not male lions, do the majority of hunting for their pride. Lionesses hunt around 90% of the time, while the males protect their pride. Number 10. The world's oldest known breed of domesticated dog dates back to 329 BC. Dogs are well known for being man's best friend, and it turns out that's a relationship that goes back longer than you might expect. According to Guinness World Records, the oldest known breed of domesticated dog goes all the way back to 329 BC. Saluki dogs were revered in ancient Egypt, being kept as royal pets and being mummified after death. There are carvings found in Sumer which represent a dog closely resembling a Saluki, which date back to 7000 BC. Number 9. Moths experience love at first scent. When a male moth catches a whiff of a female moth, he'll travel miles to find her, based off her scent alone. According to the experts of Audubon, they don't know what the female sounds like or even what she looks like. But when they smell her, boy, do they know it, and they use her seductive musk to track her down. Number 8. Octopuses can taste with their arms. And yes, they are called arms, not tentacles. According to the Library of Congress, the animals can taste and grab with the suckers on their arms. Even more impressive, octopuses are capable of moving at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. Number 7. Some pigs in China are the size of bears. In Nanning, the capital of China's Guangxi province, a man named Pang Kong has a rather remarkable animal living on his farm, a 1,102-pound pig. That's roughly the same size as a full-grown adult male polar bear. According to Bloomberg, massive swine of that size can sell for more than 10,000 yuan or $1,399, over 3 times higher than the average monthly disposable income in the area. Number 6. Cowbirds use secret passwords to teach their young. Cowbirds lay their eggs in other bird species' nests, which means that the little ones eventually need to reconnect with their own kind when the time is right. And when that time comes, the young birds have a trick for figuring out who to reach out to. Juvenile cowbirds readily recognize and affiliate with other cowbirds. According to Science Daily, that's because they have a secret handshake or password. To put it more simply, they use a specific chatter call to beckon each other. Number 5. Otters have the world's thickest fur. They're thought to have up to 1 million hairs per square inch. Their fur consists of 2 layers and is designed to trap a layer of air next to their skin, so their skin doesn't get wet. Number 4. Capuchin monkeys wash their hands and feet in urine. Monkeys are undeniably cute. They can also be pretty darn gross. For example, capuchin monkeys urinate on their hands and feet when they're feeling randy. Primatologist Kimran Miller told NBC News, "We think the alpha males might use urine washing to convey warm, fuzzy feelings to females, that their solicitation is working, and that there's no need to run away, or they could be doing it because they're excited. Either way, disgusting." Number 3. Ducks can surf. Over in New Zealand, surfers have noticed the same thing that those who ride the waves in California have witnessed. Ducks can surf. The birds do so in order to catch food or simply to move through the water quickly. Sports reporter Frances Malley spotted a female duck and her babies catching a wave and told the New Zealand Herald the mother was surfing on her belly on the whitewash. "I've never surfed with ducks before, so this was a first." Number 2. Pigeons can do math. You might think of pigeons as the idiots of animals. But it turns out they're actually quite intelligent. In fact, one 2011 study published in the journal Science found that the birds are capable of doing math at the same level as monkeys. During the study, the pigeons were asked to compare 9 images, each containing a different number of objects. The researchers found that the birds were able to rank the images in order of how many objects they contained. To simply put it, they learned that the birds could count. Number 1. Sea otters are adept at using tools. While many scientists believe that tool use among dolphins is a relatively new phenomenon, a 2017 study published in Biology Letters suggests that otters may have been using tools for millions of years. Sea otters frequently use rocks to break open well-armored prey, such as snails. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit the like button. Tell us in the comments which one of these facts you found fascinating.